the best cafe in North Wales, bar none, the Whistlestop Cafe, home of the Whistlestop Motorcycle Club. How's it going, Andy?
Oh, all right.
Getting ready to eat a major breakfast here. Sunday morning, can't be bothered cooking breakfast, so we're going for the full Monty. Right, let's have a look what's on the menu. It's famous for its cooked breakfasts, which you'll see. Yeah, there you go. That's a decent shot.
When I went in work, I put it on the board,
And it does omelettes, all the sandwiches, it even does roast dinners, look. There's the kiddies menu. And that's the dessert menu, which is rather indulgent looking to me, but there you go. And Richard's breakfast has arrived, and that has all the elements. It's got scrambled eggs, he likes the scrambled eggs well done. It's got fried bread, a sausage, a piece of black pudding, blood pudding, a hash brown, a couple of bits of bacon and some beans in tomato sauce. To wash that down with, he's got a cup of tea and he's got some brown toast. Now mine's arrived. It's got 2 poached eggs. I prefer my eggs poached. It's got a sausage, it's got a couple of pieces of bacon, it's got stewed tomatoes and mushrooms. And I'm going to tuck into that. I don't eat bread, so I've just got a cup of tea to wash all that down with. Richard cleaned his plate and Peter cleaned his plate. And that was a very satisfying breakfast at the Whistlestop Cafe in Rhuddlan in North Wales. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.